Hey everyone, welcome back to the Our Necklaces channel. I have a fun unboxing for you guys today. I just got my order in from beads.us. So let's go and see what's inside. Okay, so let me go through here and show you what I got and I'll tell you what I make with it. So first thing on top is this. This is our 2mm aluminum wire. I think I get like 20 of these, 20 rolls in here. Believe it or not, I use this up pretty quick because I make face masks and I use the wire on there to make a little nose wire. So that's what that looks like. And this is the face mask. So the wire goes in here and I have like a little elastic on the back too. So that's how I make my face mask. And if you want to see a tutorial on that, I'll put a link in the description below. And then I also got some of these leaf charms. I saw a lot of these on Amazon and eBay. Got another bag of leaf charms. We got some frog charms. These go in with a set that I have for Harry Potter. If you know Harry Potter, you know about chocolate frogs, so that's why I put frogs in there. And these are also little envelope charms. They're not exactly Harry Potter, but it was probably the best envelope I could find at the time when I was making up the set. But it has a little heart on it. It says made with love. But they still look cute in the set, so I'll put them in there. Let's see if we have any other charms. Oh yes, these are wolf charms. And these are also for the Harry Potter sets. And I think that's it for charms. Oh wait, we have some more over here. Lightning bolts, of course, for Harry Potter. And oh, and I bought these. These do not have to do with Harry Potter. They are little koalas. These are a new charm that I bought. And I thought they were so cute. Oh, look at that. So I've been selling some sloth necklaces. So I thought, let me see if I can find some unique animals and I can sell a few necklaces and earring sets with the charms. And I found the sloth and I thought they were really nice. And then I got some more of these are stainless steel lobster clasps. These are, I believe they're the 13mm size. So they're a nice size for doing the face mask chain. And I'll show you that. One right here. And this is just the face mask chain I make. This is like the gold stainless steel one. But I get the chain and then I just attach the lobster clasp here so you can attach it to your ear loops on your mask and wear the mask around your neck when you don't need to be wearing it. So very convenient. And so I got a whole bunch of chains. So I'll show you the chain I got. This one I had purchased before. This is like a nice, I think they call it a paper clip chain. Let's see if I can get it out of here. And you can't really see it because it has all this plastic over it. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. So yeah, it has like little links on it. And I got a few new types of chain. Actually, this isn't a new one. This is one I've had before. But this one is a stainless steel with little hearts. Let's see if I can take this off. You can see it a little better. So this one has just little hearts, probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches apart. And that's actually the same style of chain as this one, except this one is the gold stainless steel. And then I think I got, oh, I did get the gold one. This is the same chain as this one here. Oh, and I missed a set of charms. These are neckties. So those are also for Harry Potter. And these are some more chains I purchased. These are actually necklace chains. And I use these for my message necklaces and also my charm necklaces, like I was saying with the little koala bears over here, that I would just put them on a chain. So these come in, this one's an 18-inch, I believe. And then this one should be the 16-inch. Right, 16-inch. So I have two different sizes. And they also have a little extender on them too. So it turns out really nice. Instead of actually making the chain, it's a little easier just to have the chain already ready to go. And these are really cheap. I think they're like, I don't know, less than 30 cents a chain. And they're stainless steel, so pretty good deal. Let's see what else we have. These are little bar pendants that I just started making these layered necklaces. And I'll show you one of the layered necklaces I have over here. This is like a layered necklace set I have, and I just put that bar chain on there and then do like different little chains. So I got some more of those, and I also got some locks to also use with my layered necklaces. These are both stainless steel and gold stainless steel. And I purchased some of these are stainless steel, what do you call these, spring rings. And I make these layered necklace clasps, and I was running out of these spring rings, so I just got a few more, so that way I would have some. Here's some more of those bar pendants. So this is a stainless steel color that I would use for layered necklaces. And these is another paperclip chain. These I would use for either layered necklaces or mask chains. Looks like this. I'll take it out for you. That kind of chain. So this is actually really popular. It seems like people like these type of chains. And what else did I get? Also got some more. These are the 13mm stainless steel, well, gold stainless steel lobster clasp. I got quite a few of those. These I use for my mask chains. This is just an empty bag that I threw in there. More empty bags. So I hope you enjoyed unboxing all these jewelry making supplies with me. And I will put a link below to the site that I order from. It's called beads.us. And I use them quite a bit. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've purchased quite a few things from them. And I think they're good quality. They have a lot of stainless steel supplies and things like that that I really like to buy. And also I'll put some links below to some of the tutorials that I have on making some of the things I was talking about. So have a great day, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.